everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms for registration. Need to register participants for an event, webinar, or a job application? Google Forms makes it easy, efficient, and automated. So let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google Form and create a new form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and then or workspace.google.com and then /product/forms and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Once you log in, click on blank form or use a registration template. I'm gonna choose a blank form. Now the second step is to add registration titles and instructions. For example, event for a registration form. You can also include details like event date, location, and registration deadline and instructions in the form description right here in this area. The second step is to add important registration fields, and you can do that by clicking on the plus button right here, and you can add questions. For example, you can choose different types of questions. For example, short answer, which is for full name. You can also ask for email address. Use a short answer for that one too. You can ask for a phone number. Also use the short answer, organization company name, and preferred event date. And if multiple dates are available, you can also choose payment confirmation upload and choose file upload for that. As for the fourth step is to enable email notification for registrants, and you can do that by clicking on settings and then go to responses, and here you're gonna enable send respondents a copy of their responses. You see here, toggles on, click on verified, and then click on always. The fifth step is to automate responses and track data, and to do that, just click on response here, and then click on link to Sheets, and link it to Google Sheets to manage registrations in one place. As for the sixth step is to share the registration form, and to do that, just click on publish before you do that, and then click on the sharing icon right here, and make sure you change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, and copy the responders link, and just like that the responders link is copied into your clipboard, and you can paste it whenever you want. You can share it via email link or embed on a website. And that's it for today's tutorial. Your registration form is now ready. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.